Good morning. This will be a great test for the new microphone because it's windy. I can see clearly now, the rain has gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day when the moon's still up. It's nice to be outside. Isn't it lovely that, you have the rain, lots and lots of rain, and it cleans everything. Everything looks shinier, doesn't it? It's beautiful. Look at this poor little cat. Big cat, really. I don't think anybody's on board. But it's, it'll come to no harm. I think it pulled its anchor out a bit and had a little mosey on down. The currents are extremely strong in the passage, aren't they? Yep, so we've got a nice, and I think I've got this right. Is it a southerly? I'm not very good at this, so I have to practice. Yeah, I think it's a southerly. Oh, it actually feels really lovely to have a beautiful breeze. Isn't it lovely? Watching people out jogging with their dogs. Nice. I'm so happy and grateful, so happy and grateful, so happy and grateful. What are you so happy and grateful about, everybody? Yes. Right. Now, need to get into our breath work. We've got the sun, we've got the grounding. Things just happen without you knowing it, don't they, when you're outside? I did some fun dancing in the lounge room this morning because of the wonderful things we do. So dancing is my go-to. It is a great way to raise your energy, shake stuff off. You got your body moving, you got music pumping, get your favorite playlist on. And just do it. Just do it. Just move in the dance room, in the lounge room. Yep. Yay. All right. Let's breathe. Conscious breathing. All the way out. Breathe in. Sip it up. Beautiful blue skies. Good job. Need those legs. Yeah, and I'm cracking. Yes, music is a great mood changer. Because you know what? It's all in here. It's in here. Yep. I know the hormones have things to do with it. And I have to really work on my focus with the hormones. Start messing with your moods. Yep, they mess with lots of things, don't they? So you just have to really consciously do things, eat things that can bring you back in balance. When you go out of balance, bring yourself back in. Music is great. Yep. It's amazing, that vibration, the energy, frequency, whatever it is. Just get it pumping. And it's okay to feel things. Of course it is. But don't just sit there and wallow in it. Like, get yourself out in nature, pump your music, move your body, focus on gratitude, appreciation. Yep, and do things that bring you joy. Yep, use that beautiful brain of yours. Look at that silly thing. Fell over. Eyes were shut and all I heard it was go thwack. I need to put my bag on it. Anyway, we'll keep it going. All right, let's do our jumps. Oh my goodness, how annoying. So sorry. Bring it down lower, Trace. Dig it in. Yeah! Woo! Feels good. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Boom! Boom! Nice. Well done. Feeling good. Yes, yes, yes. So, let's bring our powerful mind into focus, into who and what we appreciate and are grateful for. And I know some of you might be thinking, oh my goodness, Tracy, you say the same things every day. But consistency is the key, isn't it? Consistency with anything will bring you with results. Whether you're consistent with things that are not so good for you, and you're consistent with things that are good for you. There's Margaret. We're going to wave to Margaret. We're going to say hello. We'll say hello to Gus.